Hello, my dear friends. Today I'll share with you Japanese beauty secrets that erase wrinkles, fade dark spots, and lift your skin, even at 70. Yogurt is the key ingredient in today's masks. It's rich in lactic acid and vitamins that gently exfoliate, brighten, and improve elasticity. Yogurt also reduces pigmentation, smooths fine lines, and deeply hydrates your skin. 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Half teaspoon of honey. Honey nourishes, hydrates, and restores the skin's natural glow. Benefit: this mask moisturizes, brightens, and improves skin tone, leaving it soft and radiant. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural anti-aging secrets. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then with cool water. Moisturize afterward. For the best results, use one recipe 2 to 3 times a week, and then move on to the next. Second recipe: 1 teaspoon of yogurt. 1 teaspoon of oatmeal. Oatmeal gently exfoliates and soothes sensitive skin. This mask removes dullness, refines pores, and gives your skin a fresh, smooth look. Friends, write in the comments, where are you watching from? How to use: apply to clean skin of your face, neck, and hands. Leave for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool water. Pat dry and apply your favorite cream. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Third recipe: 1 teaspoon of yogurt. A few drops of lemon juice. Lemon brightens the skin and helps reduce pigmentation. This brightening mask evens out skin tone, lightens dark spots, and adds a healthy glow. How to use: apply evenly over your face, neck, and décolleté. Avoid the eye area. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool water. Use twice a week for visible results. Fourth recipe: 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Half teaspoon of almond oil. Almond oil nourishes and helps smooth wrinkles. This mask softens the skin, reduces fine lines, and gives lasting hydration. How to use: apply a thin layer to your face and neck. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Apply moisturizer afterward. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Fifth recipe: 1 teaspoon of yogurt. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric reduces inflammation and brightens the skin. This mask restores elasticity, reduces puffiness, and gives your skin a youthful glow. How to use: apply gently to your face, neck, and hands. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Use 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. And make sure to subscribe for more natural beauty recipes. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.